So we're gonna be programming, coding a key for 2013 Q7. Currently only has the emergency key. So we're gonna code a new key and program it to it. I'm already coding right now the key. So we have one side coded. Now we're gonna code the other side. Okay, start coding. So now it's caught. While that is coding, let's go and connect everything here on the vehicle. And this is the current key that it has. Okay, the key is caught. Let's clean this up. Let's make sure that it works. Yeah. So here's the information. It's a Q7. It'll be the same thing from 2007 to 2016. Let's press yes. And then we're gonna go to email status. And then we're gonna do a quick erase so we can clear the DTCs. We're gonna read the pin. Select the type manually, select type 1 if you're not sure of the type, or select type 2 if learning fails in the type 1. Okay, it's gonna be number 1. And we have all the information here. This vehicle, you can see, has 4 keys programmed. So we have 4 more that we can add to this vehicle. We are not gonna delete none of those keys. So we're gonna press OK. And then we're gonna make a dealer key. Place the blank key into the key slot of the program. So here's the key that we're gonna program. We're gonna put it right here. Press OK. Dealer key generated successful. Press OK. Key learning. Number of key to be learned, we're gonna put 2. Press OK. Turn on the ignition, insert each key to be learned into the ignition and turn the ignition to crank. For each key, you need to wait for the electronic steering column lock to be unlocked. Number of keys to be learned, be 1 out of 2, okay? So we're gonna get this key and we're gonna put it right here and we're gonna glue that like that. So we're gonna turn off the ignition and wait for 5 to 10 seconds and turn the ignition into on and then press OK. Key learning complete. And it's just that simple. That's how you program a new key for a Audi 2013 Q7. And let's make sure it turns on. And you see it works. And that's how you program a new key on a 2013 Audi Q7. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below. Stay safe out there, and I will see you on the next one.